Hey guys, I want to clear something up that usually pops up in the trainings that I do. I usually ask the people, mostly salespeople, who wants to make money here, who likes money, and they all usually say me, or I do. And I usually ask, money is the result of what? And they say things like hard work. And if money was the result of hard work, then the garbage man would make more money than you do. Because I can argue that they work harder than you. They work in much more rougher conditions. But that's not the case. We all have 24 hours. The question is, how do you use your 24 hours? Money is not the result of hard work. Money is the result of solving problems. And the bigger the problems that you solve, the more money people will pay you. And the problems that you solve have to be problems that the market actually values. They have to care about it. Because if you can solve problems that no one cares about it, then you're not going to get paid for it. Okay, some of the problems that you used to solve are obsolete right now. They're automated by AI or a machine. So I wouldn't worry about working hard. I would worry about how can I actually become valuable to the point where I can solve problems and big problems that the market actually values. And when you can do that, you will make a lot of money in the process.